top of the whatever the hell time this is. Good Lord. The Battle Royale with this Hotrod Deluxe, this version 3 or generation 3 or Mark 3. However you call it, it is done. But not without giving me some serious resistance, no pun intended. So have a look at these guys. The damage to the board was much more significant than was apparent initially. You could really see it here. Okay, move on over. This guy was just starting to party. He was just starting. But sufficient air gap is going to make this a happy board. But the real surprise was this 1K resistor. Really, it's 1.2K, but given that everything here is like plus or minus 10 to 20% via the schematic, I can get away with a 1K. The damage to the board was quite significant. In fact, I had to run some jumpers, and it's canted like this for a particular reason. It's sitting on top of some jumpers down there, which I didn't have time to film rather. And she's finally happy. She switches channels again. There's no more obscene 120. And I need to clean up a little bit of this wiring. But aside from that, it's completely done. So very happy with how this turned out. Ended up, let's see, moving the screen grid, the screen resistors on this side of the tube PCB because this is the better place for it to be. So obviously some sufficient air gap. It's not like these guys are burning up all the time, but it's nice to have them here so they could actually get some current flowing across them, rather air current that is, and cool off. Otherwise they'd be on the other side of this board, trapped in this space here with hardly any ventilation at all. And then you're looking at another scenario like this. So I'm very happy with the way that turned out. And the rest of it as well. New plate resistors on a phase inverter coupling caps, some Panasonic ECQs back there. What else? Besides the obvious, love these caps. Super low ESR, and they're holding up really well. Just love these guys. Let's see, and that's about it. Aside from the obvious jack and pot cleaning, tube socket cleaning and retention, the whole thing. So hope you guys are having a good one.